Okay, so first I want to say thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Again, my name is Jeff, and my company is Belanger Solutions. And I stumbled upon your website, Sunny SoCal Plumbers SantaBarbara.com. And I noticed there wasn't a lot of traffic coming through there. That's why I had reached out. And then I was given this RaleighServiceExperts.com and CustomerCareServiceExperts.com email to send this out to. Now, usually I'm going over content, backlinks, and citations. This is your website. This is your backlinks, 363,000, 2,000 referring domains, 18,000 keywords, 25,000 views a month on your traffic. So just killing it there. But I started to wonder what's going on with the plumbing. This is heating, air conditioning, and plumbing. And of course, then I realized, okay, we're covering a huge area. And of course, I came down here and took a look at North Carolina. And I said, okay. So I plugged in AC Repair Raleigh. And let's see, I got you guys right here in number 5. Of course, everything under the map is organic ranking through content and keywords. You want at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your site, depending on your competition and the number of keywords. You know that every time somebody types something into Google here, these are keyword searches, that Google is crawling websites to find the most relevant content to bring that search engine up, or that particular business that has the most relevant content or keywords, I'm sorry. Of course, we know that this is the map pack and citations, name, address, phone number, and Google Business Profile put you here. But being that you offer plumbing, so I wanted to see about the AC. So I saw you there in Raleigh. I tried plumber, Raleigh, because you offer plumbing, but you are not listed here. Not at all. I thought that was odd. I didn't know if you were steering away from that or what was going on. Maybe an overlook. I wasn't sure. I also tried plumber in Santa Barbara because that's where I got the website, plumber Santa Barbara, California. And again, I did not see you. You got Yelp, you got Angie. Ironically, though, you do have Jerry's Plumber right here. So Mr. Jerry, when I take a look at him and his website, coming in with 36 keywords and 98 views of traffic per month, is actually beating out your plumbing service because you're not gearing anything specific towards plumbing. And even though you're offering it, and I took a look at this, but your service area for plumbing isn't specific at all. That's why it was showing up very low traffic through your site. And that's the reason why that I had reached out. Of course, got a lot of coverage going on here, but if you were to break down each of these states and each of these locations and then start targeting keywords for the locations and content, you would rank yourself for plumbing in Raleigh, or a plumbing search or a plumber search. And of course, obviously, this is big business here, and you would generate that many more views, that much more exposure. I just want to kind of throw that out there. I wasn't sure if anybody had paid attention to that or not. I didn't see anything going on for plumbing, no matter how I searched and looked. But aside from that, you guys are across the board killing it with 589 new additional backlinks. One thing I did want to check out was broken backlinks and see if anything was going on there. And I did find you had 246 backlinks that are broken. For whatever reason, they're not found, not found, not found, not found. Again, that might not be a big deal to you because of the amount of backlinks that you have, but there are some internal structures, internal something going on there. And I'm not quite sure who's taking care of your marketing or why that is what it is. But anyway, I just want to put that out there and send this over to you. Of course, you understand how this works. I super appreciate your time for taking the time to look at this. And if should have any questions and you want to reach out, I'm here if you would like to chat, talk, or see what you wanted to do. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.